Morning everyone, off to Queen Vic Market at the moment. Got my older sister with me. And there's a Sri Lankan Food Festival on there. Actually they're celebrating their New Year's. Well, New Year's was mid last week, but the celebration's on today. So we're going to check out some of the food there and see what it's like. Let's go. Well, we've arrived at Queen Vic Market. Don't know if both of us are going to end up going home because I'm going to kill someone soon. That's not me. Vic Market, Queen Vic Market, and we're going to go and do a review of a Sri Lankan food festival. So let's go check it out. Hopefully there's some good food there. There's not many people around, but it's only 10 o'clock at the moment, so 10, 11, so it's still pretty early. Music's really nice, but we're here for the bloody food. Stop the music. Beautiful day here today. Really, really pleasant. Pancakes. Yum. Pancakes. Wow, this looks good. Wow. So, how did the Dutch pancakes originate? Where were they? Obviously from Holland, but
from Holland.
Yeah.
From mostly the Christmas markets over there.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
They're very popular on their winter stuff.
Yeah. Did you get a lot of clients here?
Yeah, we get pretty busy.
Yeah, right. Well, probably on my way back I might have a shot at it.
Yeah, sounds good.
Thanks, mate. How do you say Dutch pancake? For feta roll?
You're
How do you say it?
for fritter rolls.
She couldn't say it before. Fried ice cream. Yeah. You can pull it right over your face.
Oh, gorgeous.
Nice, isn't it? Nice day. Absolutely sensational day. The sun's out a little bit. They didn't predict this, but and we're heading into the Sri Lankan enclosure. Some sugarcane drink here. I got some for my mum last couple of weeks back, and asked her how did it taste, and she goes, yeah, all right. More curry up now. Speciality. What's the main one that sells the most?
What do you think?
The butter chicken.
Butter chicken.
Of course.
Oh.
Beautiful.
Yeah, okay. Still early for lunch. We'll walk around. Correct me if I'm wrong. Butter chicken's not bloody Sri Lankan.
No,
That's
why you
Indian.
said Indian, you moron.
Oh, okay, that's Indian. Nice.
Hey,
All
how are
right,
you?
mate. So that's a traditional sarong, right?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Oops, sorry. Oh, is it?
Yeah, it
Oh,
is.
cool. Do you import them?
Yeah,
So you import them?
we import them and then we distribute around the Sri Lankan shops.
Oh, cool.
So there's a good demand for it from the Sri Lankan community and the locals as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I was actually born in Kandy.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
But, moved out here when we moved out.
Yeah, it's fair enough.
Yeah. Okay.
Have you gone to Sri Lanka?
The company imports from Sri Lanka and they distribute to all the Sri Lankan groceries around Melbourne, I suppose Australia-wide. Can't believe how... Yeah. Well, they predicted rain, but it's not raining. So, what's this? Yeah. Which one? This one. Well, don't look at it, buy it. Pointless looking at it, isn't it? Do I get a commission for sale or what?
Haricana.
Oh yeah.
It's really nice.
Well, Angie's just buying some spices. She's going to attempt to make some curries, I suppose.
Delicious curry, Sri Lankan curry.
Well, and she needs all the help she can get, mind you, I tell you what. The freaking Sri Lankan national anthem beating away. It's Kotu Roti. Kotu Roti. Let's go and have a look and see what they're doing there. Deviled chicken. Coming through and getting a bit hungry now. I'm not there yet, but I'm getting hungry. Great material thing. For the MasterChef cooking contest or demo, it's meant to be on now, but true to style, Sri Lankan way, there's no bastard here. There's no cooks. I don't know what's going on. And what do we got here? Desi Koti ice cream. So it looks like Sri Lankan ice cream, I suppose. Don't know. Never heard of it before. It's meant to be a Sri Lankan event, and the bloody Indians are great crashing. What's going on? Oh well, never mind. All in the same region, I suppose. Street food van, and they're doing kotu as well, but I reckon I fancy it from the other place because for one, it's cheaper and I'm a tight ass. So hey, Jamaican food. This looks interesting. That was Jamaican street food. Looked interesting. I've never had Jamaican before, so we'll walk around and then do a circle around and then come back. Maybe try some Jamaican. Not sure. It's more like barbecued chicken and a salad and shit. You know, which I can have every day. I want some authentic stuff. And I think the first place back there was pretty good. The line for donuts. It's insane. They are pretty good. I'm gonna walk down. I'm gonna walk down and just see how many people are lined up here. I'm gonna count them. Check this out. This is the line for donuts. There's a freaking mile of people. There's probably 25 people lined up waiting for donuts. We're here to eat Sri Lankan, not donuts. Gelato. One of my favourite Italian ice creams. Well, sadly, we were here a couple of years ago for the same festival, but there seems to be a lot less vendors this time. So
it's a shame, because it was really good last time.
Yeah, it was. And not as many people, so I don't know if it's COVID affected or businesses have gone out of business. Okay, they've just arrived. You're an hour and a half late, but doesn't matter. We're heading over to the stage now.
So get ready, the band battery is ready to rock you in the afternoon, and of course the band. This Sunday, so we like to give our thanks to everyone who patronized here in this festival and as well. So get ready for the next performance after a while. You can hashtag them as foodie
tourism bag, which will be fantastic because I'm going to use that when I do a bit of travel. I'm sure there's always information there that can be helpful. Can I ask you a question, guys? Is that tasty or what? Or is it not?
Yes, it's very nice.
Is it? Wasn't a very convincing yes then, so I'm not sure. I think I'll wait for the kochi roti over there. I just want some roti
With curry sauce.
with curry sauce. Try it. Tell me what you think.
I had the samosa before and it was delicious. And I maybe.
Nice? Okay, so I'm gonna have a bit
Really
of it
nice.
too. What do you expect? Bloody curry matcha. Angie bought this food, but she's not sharing it. She's having the whole thing by herself. We're pretty much done and dusted in Vic Market. We're going to head up to Lankan Street, see what's up there. I think there's a Lankan Street market on today, an Italian fest. So we'll check that out.
Curry to Italian.
Curry to Italian. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please subscribe and like. Here we go. Go somewhere else now.
You gonna get your finger roll?
No. No. I lie.